Have you ever wondered what life will look like in 2050? How will cities, work, health, and daily human interactions change? Will AI and robotics fully integrate into our lives? Will we finally conquer aging, or even explore interstellar travel? Buckle up, because in this video we will take you on a journey into the future. Picture this. It's 2050, and you're stepping out of your smart home that knows your schedule and how you take your coffee. By the time you're ready, that steaming cup is waiting, perfectly brewed. As you head out, the city itself becomes an extension of that seamless experience. Traffic? What traffic? Autonomous vehicles navigate with pinpoint accuracy, directed by AI that makes gridlock a distant memory. Need to get across town? Public transportation is now a high-speed, sleek, and silent affair powered by renewable energy. Facial recognition technology makes accessing your home, office, or even paying for your groceries as simple as showing your face. It knows who you are, where you're authorized to be, and maybe even reminds you to pick up batteries. But here's the thing about smart cities in 2050. It's not just about convenience. Imagine a city that monitors its own air quality, adjusting traffic flow to reduce pollution in real time, or one that can anticipate and respond to emergencies more effectively, keeping its citizens safe. That's a future that would make even this science guy lose sleep. We're talking about artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Now, this isn't just your smartphone becoming a bit smarter or your car learning to parallel park itself. AGI is a whole different ballgame. We're talking about machines that possess cognitive abilities that rival and perhaps even surpass our own. Imagine an AI that can not only process information but understand it, learn from it, and even reason about it. It's a future where machines aren't just tools, but collaborators, capable of helping us solve humanity's most pressing challenges. Think about it. Climate change, global pandemics, poverty, hunger. These are all complex, multifaceted issues. AGI could be the key to unlocking solutions we haven't even dared to imagine. But along with this immense potential comes a whole host of ethical and existential questions. Ensuring that AGI is developed responsibly, ethically, and with appropriate safeguards in place will be paramount. So, we've got these super smart cities, personalized medicine, and AI that could give Einstein a run for his money. But here's the question that often pops up. What happens to jobs? Will robots be taking our orders at restaurants and then writing our performance reviews in the metaverse? Imagine a world where robots handle the dangerous, repetitive tasks, the ones that no one really enjoys anyway. Think factory work, long-haul trucking, even some aspects of surgery. This frees up humans to focus on what we do best: creative problem-solving, innovation, and those roles that require a human touch. The traditional office might become a relic of the past as remote work and virtual collaboration become the norm. Imagine attending meetings in the metaverse, brainstorming with colleagues from around the world without ever leaving your smart home. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing people to live and work wherever they choose, blurring geographical boundaries. But this shift in the job market also presents us with a significant challenge. How do we ensure that everyone benefits from these advancements? Education and retraining will be more critical than ever before. Now let's talk about something truly out of this world: space exploration, and the potential for humanity to become a multi-planetary species. I'm talking about a future where setting foot on Mars isn't just a dream but a reality. Space agencies like NASA, along with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, are already making incredible strides in space travel. We're talking about reusable rockets that are making spaceflight more affordable and accessible, ambitious missions to establish permanent bases on the Moon and Mars. Imagine a future where we're not just visiting other celestial bodies but actually living on them, building self-sustaining colonies. It's a future where the spirit of exploration and discovery is given free rein to reach for the stars. But becoming an interplanetary species isn't just about escaping the confines of Earth, it's about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. Let's face it, folks, Earth is facing some serious challenges, from climate change to resource depletion. Having a backup plan, a plan B for humanity, could be the key to our continued existence. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From cities that think to healthcare that could make us practically immortal, from AI that's more intelligent than we can imagine, to the possibility of becoming a spacefaring species, the future is bursting with potential. But amidst all this excitement, it's crucial to remember that every technological leap, every breakthrough, comes with its own set of ethical dilemmas and potential risks. Take AI, for example. While it holds the promise of solving some of our most pressing problems, it also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and even the potential for autonomous weapon systems. Then there's genetic engineering. The ability to edit our DNA could lead to incredible medical breakthroughs, eradicating diseases and enhancing human capabilities. But it also opens up a Pandora's box of ethical questions about designer babies, genetic inequality, and the very definition of what it means to be human. And as we venture further into the cosmos, we'll need to grapple with questions about planetary protection and the ethical considerations of encountering extraterrestrial life. The choices we make today, the ethical frameworks we put in place, the regulations we enact, will shape the course of human civilization for generations to come. It's up to us, collectively, to ensure that we use these incredible tools wisely, ethically, and for the betterment of all humankind. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: we are heading toward a world unlike anything we've seen before. Technology has the power to either elevate humanity to new heights or bring about unforeseen consequences. What do you think? Will the future be a utopia or a dystopia? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing insights into the future. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the future.